Hey guys, welcome back to LOL Lily, and today I'm doing my very first cooking video. We're going to be making some quick waffles. My mom already put in 3 eggs and set up my ingredients for me. So, I'm going to start now. This is a 1 cup milk, and I'm going to put it in, but I'm only going to put in half first. Need to be very careful. Okay, so now I've already stirred the eggs and milk. So this is the melted butter I'm going to put in. Oof. And now I'm going to stir it. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. So, after this vanilla extract, I'm going to put in 1 cup of flour. You have to stir slowly when you just add in the flour, otherwise it's going to spill out everywhere. At least that's what I think. So, I already added the other half of milk and started stirring. I'm going to finish. I think this is good now. So now I'm going to continue and put in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It gives out the flavor. And I'm also going to put in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And last, I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Now I'm going to stir. See that the ready light is on? That means the waffle maker is ready. My mom is going to pour the batter inside of the waffle maker. Cool, isn't it? Hey guys, now these waffles are ready and Mom is going to take them out because isn't it delicious looking? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to LOL Lily. Excuse me for a second. I'm going to need to eat this waffle.